Hey, welcome back, guys. If you're looking for some movies and TV shows, you might want to check out this app. I think you're going to like it. Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well and are ready for another great app for your Amazon Fire TV stick. This one will get you movies and TV shows like you've never seen before. So first thing we need to do with our Amazon Fire TV stick, head to the search icon and then pull down one and type in our little search feature here, downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader should come right up. Click on downloader and it's this orange icon. Get it, install it, put it into the queue, download it, install it. And once that's done, we're ready to jailbreak our Amazon Fire TV stick. I know, it's not jailbreaking. It's just enabling downloader to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick. So once downloader is installed, click the home button on our remote and go all the way to the far right. Our settings icon, a little cog wheel there, or gear wheel, and come down, and here we have My Fire TV listed. Highlight it and click on it. And once you've got that clicked on here, I have developer options listed. You may not. That's okay. If you click on, go back up to About, use your select button on your remote, and then highlight Fire TV Stick. Use your remote, hit the select button about 7 to 8 times. And here it says no need. I'm already a developer, and then it should say congratulations, you are now a developer. So there we go. We've just jailbroken our Fire Stick. Pretty crazy stuff, I know. So let's go back one and then highlight developer options and click on it. Here I already have ADB debugging on. You can have it on or off. It doesn't matter for what we do. It's up to you. I usually always have it on, so there you go. And under install unknown apps, click on it. And now we have download listed. Use your remote, hit select and turn it on. This now allows downloader to install applications that aren't available in the Fire Store or in the Amazon App Store. Now let's go back to the home screen and find downloader. So downloader will be located way on the far side there. There's the 3 squares plus sign. It's our apps and games section. And here, the last thing we download gets put out to the back here at the very bottom. So we can use our remote with the 3-line button on our remote, having downloader hovered over, and we can move it wherever we want or move it to the front. So usually I like to have it up front because this is our new app store, folks. So if you can tell, this little top bar here is our shortcuts bar on our main menu. So now that we've moved downloader there, click OK. Now that we've moved downloader there, you can click the home button, and as you can tell, downloader is front and center. Now let's open up downloader. Now that downloader is opened, yes, allow to access photos, media, and files on our device. It needs those permissions, so say allow. And then here, welcome to downloader, and we're going to hit OK. So today, I'm not going to use our shortcuts. We're just going to type in the full URL, ledbytheunknown.com. Just take a few seconds here to type it right in. This is our website where we can get all these great applications, especially this, maybe not new for you, but it's new for me for some reason. So ledbytheunknown.com, and we'll hit go. So just let you know, Downloader acts as a web browser. So it You search anything in there and it's just going to pop it right up. So here we have our Led by the Unknown webpage. And if we come down, our first post here is the download section, and we can just click on that. But before you do that, I would highly suggest using the 3-line button on our remote, and we can add this current page to our favorites. And now and then we can save it as our favorite. So now in the right bar here, we can click favorites, highlight ledbytheunknown.com, and click on it. And it sends it right to there. So anytime you come, head to this page, this first post, boom, sends you right to the download section where we're able to find these applications. So there's some top 5, some videos, tutorials, how-tos, you name it in here. Check it all out. So let's head down. So some of these apps you may have seen, some you may not have. These are great apps for movies and TV shows. So let's try OnStream here. OnStream, you click on the link, it sends, when you click on the link, automatically downloads it. So we can hit install, the bottom right there. Application's installed, and we'll hit done. Now, we hit done because we need to delete the APK file so it doesn't use up space on our Fire Stick. So we hit delete, delete, all good to go. Now, check out the other applications up and down all around, you know the drill. Let's go to the home screen and find our new app. So here, back to the 3 squares plus sign symbol, your apps and games area, and like I said, puts it right to the end as it's the last thing downloaded, and we can use our 3-line button and move it and move the application to where we'd like it. So guys, check out the app. I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Peace. Happy streaming. Now, if you're still here and you're on Rumble, let's look into this app and open it up. Watch free movies. 1,800 plus movies and TV shows. We can sign in or quick sign in, or we can just click go.